Comparing auto financing option. So there is these three different way you can buy a car, and then which one is the best option. Typically you find this in TV that car companies, they're advertising you get a 0% financing now for a particular car or whatever, and then that looks clearly a lucrative option, but you'll be finding a surprising basically conclusion after we do all this analysis. To we need to find so taxes depends on the selling price, so after the discount, so we can basically calculate the sticker price minus the discount, so that would be the selling price for each of these option. And then taxes, the place I leave is 6% on new cars, so selling price 6.5%, so that will be the taxes for each of these options. And then the next thing we need to find out is the loan amount, how much loan we have to take for each of these option. So that would be basically the selling price plus the taxes plus the fees minus this down payment. That's not, we're gonna have to pay that upfront. So that shouldn't come into the loan amount. So in this case, there is no down payment. We are taking entire loan from a bank. So that would be the loan amount in this case. Now we're going to calculate the payment, and whatever option give us the lowest payment, we'll take that. So that would be monthly payment. So monthly payment, let's calculate that. We can simply use that PMT function. Now this option A is 0%, so we really don't need that. However, we'll need that for option B and C, so I'm going to write that anyway. So that's the rate, and then it for 60 months compounding period. The present value of the loan amount is this. We're going to pay off everything, so future will be 0, and then end of period compounding. Now see, in this loan amount, we did not include that $2,000. We have to account for that. Now assume that that $2,000 is sitting in a bank, frozen money, it's not making or losing anything, so it's going to have exact same number for the entire 60 months. So simply we can redistribute that among the 60 months. So that will be the monthly payment for the first option, second option, and third options. If you calculate the total payment make, that would be simply this times 60. You can see that the difference could be in thousands. So as you can see here, the difference is this is 33,000 and half, and almost like about $4,000 difference, which is huge. But supposed to be this 0% financing is the best option. That's why they advertise in TV. But if you do some calculations, you might find some interesting results. In the next video, we'll show you a typical home financing options, and to kind of help you make a better decision when you buy a car, buy a home.